In this video, we're going to find the median. If you're revising, you can have a go at questions 7, 8, and 9. So what is the median? It is the middle number when they are in order. So for example, the median of these values, 10, 15, 2, 8, 13, 20, 5, and 9, is, well, first of all, I need to put the numbers in ascending order, from smallest to biggest. Or you could do biggest to smallest, but as long as it's in order of size. And how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, which one's the middle one? Well, 9 and 10 are both in the middle. Depends on how many values you've got, but you could nearly cross them off and work your way into the middle. That's the biggest and the smallest. That's the next smallest and the next biggest. That's the next smallest and the next biggest. So you can see there in the middle is 9 and 10. When the values are small, that's an easy enough way to do it. But because 9 and 10 are both in the middle, you would say that the median, the middle number, is the average of those two. So add 9 and 10 to get 19, and half it to get 9.5. Okay, this is classwork, so just if this is a cover class or you're doing this yourself, just pause the video and do these questions. Don't just watch me now. Once you finish the questions, then you can hit play and I'll go through them. Okay, so to find the median of these numbers, what I want to do is put them in order. It might be easy to cross them off as you go along so that you don't miss any. You might think that's a bit silly at this stage. It might be because the numbers are so small, there only are 5 of them there. And you can quite easily see the middle one is 6, so the answer is 6. But if you use that strategy, you can build it up as it gets harder. That's more useful. So next one, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40, and 90. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see the middle there, easy enough, is 30. Okay, on the last one, we've got 9, 10, 12. I'm going to cross them off this time. 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18. I've got a few more numbers here. If I find the middle, it's 12 and 13 because I've got 2 below and 2 above. Or if you crossed off the smallest and crossed off the biggest, cross off the smallest and cross off the biggest, you end up with 2 in the middle. So halfway between 12 and 13 is 12.5.